Hey John, long time no see. How have you been?
Hey Mark. I've been good, thanks. Just getting through life, you know? Dealing with work and all.
I totally get that. What have you been up to lately?
Well, I've been thinking about my future plans a lot recently. I'm considering taking on a postgraduate course in finance.
Oh, that's great news. Pursuing higher studies is always a wise choice. It will definitely pay off in the long run.
Thanks. I hope so. I've been researching some reputable universities, and I came across one that offers a specialization in financial analysis. It stood out to me as it aligns with my interests.
That sounds like a perfect fit for you. You should go for it without hesitation.
I want to, but there's one thing that's been holding me back.
What's that?
The tuition fees are quite high, and I don't have enough savings. I might need to take out a student loan.
I understand it can be intimidating, but don't let financial worries get in the way of your dreams. You can always pay back the loan once you secure a well-paying job.
You're right. I shouldn't let the fear of debt hold me back. I'll start looking into scholarships and other options too.
That's the spirit. I have faith in you, John. Besides, investing in education is always worth it. It will set you up for a successful career.
Thanks for the encouragement, Mark. What about you? Any exciting plans for the future?
Well, I've been toying with the idea of starting my own business. I've always been passionate about technology, and I'm considering setting up a software development company.
Wow, that's awesome. Your coding skills are impressive, and I'm sure a software company would take off.
I appreciate your confidence in me. But I'm still a bit hesitant. It's a big step, and I don't want to back out at the last moment.
I understand your concerns, but you won't know until you try. You have the talent, the passion, and the determination to make it work.
You're right. I need to stop putting off this decision and start taking action. Maybe I should create a detailed business plan first.
That's a great idea. A well-thought-out plan will set you up for success and help you stay focused on your goals.
Thanks, John. I'm glad we had this talk. It's motivating me to move forward with my dreams.
Anytime, Mark. We're here to support each other. I can't wait to see both of us achieving our goals in the near future.
Absolutely. Here's to an exciting and fulfilling future ahead.
Cheers to that.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.